Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and oh my god, what has happened today in the cryptocurrency market? If you've watched my previous two videos, you would know that the two resistance and the targets is something that I highlighted in my two previous videos, but let's quickly dive in and see exactly what's happened here. So zoom out, we're on the weekly chart here on BitMEX. As you can see, this previous point back in 2017 for about 5,000 was a resistance. This got retested. We've finally made higher highs after 15 months of bear market action. We finally put in our first higher high. A higher high is a price point which is higher than the previous high. As you can see, if you're watching my arrow, since the 18th of December we've been making higher lows. As you can see here, once again, no higher highs, no higher highs, no higher highs here, but this is the first higher high we've had in 15 whole months. And in technical analysis, this is a very bullish signal. It usually signals a market reversal, but is it really a market reversal, or is this just some fake out? Is this just a massive bull trap? Only time will tell, and I'll just highlight our next targets. Let's zoom in into the daily chart here. And in this video I'm going to try not to say, as you can see, 50 million times. Right, first thing I want to show you guys is the RSI at the moment is extremely overbought. It's not been this high in absolutely months. I would say even a year. We're currently at 89 on the RSI, which shows me there's extreme overbuying action. Since early hours this morning, the price has just been rising. It's been crazy. People have been trying to figure out why the price has gone so high. No one can figure it out. Is it a change of sentiment? Is a bullish reversal about to happen? Who knows? Only time will tell. So 4,200 was the target I was looking to break. It snapped through that easily. Then the next target I had was 4,400. Again, it broke through that, and the next target I had was round about the 5,000 mark. You know, on the BitMEX, round about this target here, around about 5,000. It briefly wicked past that, and it's slowly retraced back down again. Just because of the conditions being so overbought at the moment, I'll expect a slight retracement, but I wouldn't expect anything major. I wouldn't expect it to slam back down to trend line edge yet. I mean, this is an extremely bullish candle here, so I'll expect some possible consolidation here, and then maybe we can retest 5,200, and ultimately it would not surprise me if we retested 6,000. I just want to take you back to April 2018. This is roughly about the time I got into cryptocurrency. Market was, let me just zoom out here a bit. Market was from March until around about the 8th of April. The market was just on an absolute bear market here, and then we rebounded, and everyone was looking for that magical $10,000 reversal, and a lot of analysts out there were shouting, if we break 10,000, that will be the end of the bear market. As you can see, we wicked up just below 10,000, and obviously you guys, you know, that was the highest we've been since April last year, and since then we just again formed lower high after lower high, and then we absolutely melted back in November. So I'm a bit wary of this. It would not surprise me if we approach 6,000, FOMO kicks in, there's a lot of buy orders, people think the market's going to reverse, and we just touch the resistance and we just continue all the way back down and retest the lower 2000s and even the 1500s. So 6,000 is going to be a key level to be broken, in my opinion. If we break it, clean break it, consolidate above it and carry on above, then I will say, yeah, it's a bullish reversal. Also, I would like to bring to your attention the Wall Street cheat sheet. If you're not aware of what the Wall Street cheat sheet, it basically shows you the psychology of market cycles. Market cycles, obviously, they start with a lot of sideways action, a massive up run, and then capitulation and anger and panic and denial, all the emotions you go through as a trader. So as you can see, I said that again, as you can see, a lot of people will call in this was a disbelief rally, and I just want to point out on the cheat sheet, for a market reversal to happen, as you could see, there's a high that's formed in this area here. I'm not sure if you can see my arrow, but high was formed. So as per the psychology of the market cycle, once a new higher high is being put in, that signals the end of the bear market and it signals the beginning of a bull market. There'll be a lot of disbelief, no doubt. People will be calling 6,000 to be the absolute top and it will not go any higher. Only, once again, who knows, if we break above 6,000, then yes, I would say we will be on that uptrend. I think this time in the next bull market it won't be done in a few months. I think it'd be a lot more sustained, there'll be a lot more liquidity in the market, and as per usual market cycles, in a new market cycle, usually the all-time highs are usually absolutely obliterated. And being in the crypto market, it would not surprise me with all the financial institutions and all the banks involved to absolutely rocket the price of crypto. And then once we have possibly another ETF, once back kicks in as well, there'll be so much liquidity in this market that all this volatility that we've been used to will no longer exist. It will just, as my friend Crypto Wizard Tori says, it will just be a liquid market. It will mimic the stock market. The forex market will be slow uptrending, no major volatility that we're used to. But when this happens, boy, are we going to make some money. Anyway guys, I just wanted to touch on this market of what I believe has happened, what can happen, what my potential new target is, what I'm looking to, and also just a quick side note, I believe a lot of altcoins can run very heavily now. In my opinion, altcoins will be more profitable to trade. This is not financial advice, of course, I have to say that. Altcoins will look to run hard, but as they have been today, I mean, Bitcoin will lead the way, and then what usually happens after a couple of days or so, Bitcoin will just consolidate and then altcoins will run. But if we hit that magical $6,000 and we go past it, oh my god, are we in for a treat. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video. I won't keep it too long this time, and like and subscribe please. Every subscribe, every like means a lot to me guys. And I'll be putting a lot more video content. I will make it more entertaining. I'll put more educational stuff in here, and yeah, the best is yet to come. Anyway, thank you very much guys, have a good night, and let's get this crypto.